Make money online. It's easier than you think. Have you ever dreamed of earning money online? It's a fantastic way to be your own boss and work from anywhere. You might think it's complicated, but it doesn't have to be. With the right tools and a little creativity, you can turn your passion into profit. One of the best ways to make money online is by creating and sharing engaging videos. And guess what? There's a tool that can help you do just that. InVideo AI. In this digital age, videos are king. People love watching videos, whether it's for entertainment, education, or inspiration. By creating high-quality videos, you can tap into this massive audience and start earning some serious cash. Don't worry if you're not a tech whiz or a professional filmmaker. InVideo AI makes video creation a breeze, even if you're a complete beginner. So, are you ready to unlock your earning potential with InVideo AI? Let's dive in. What is InVideo AI? Your secret weapon for video creation. InVideo AI is an online video creation platform that uses artificial intelligence to make video editing simple and fun. Think of it as your own personal video editing assistant, available 24/7. With InVideo AI, you don't need any prior video editing experience. The platform offers a ton of amazing features, including pre-made templates, stock footage, music, and even voiceover capabilities. You can easily customize these templates with your own text, images, and videos to create unique and eye-catching content. One of the coolest things about InVideo AI is its AI-powered features. These features can help you with tasks like automatically transcribing your videos, creating subtitles, and even generating video ideas. This means you can create professional-looking videos in a fraction of the time it would take with traditional video editing software. Signing up for InVideo AI, your first step to success. Ready to get started? Signing up for InVideo AI is super easy. Just head over to their website and click on the Sign Up button. You can create a free account to try out the platform or choose a paid plan for more features and benefits. Once you've created your account, you'll be prompted to choose a template or start from scratch. InVideo AI offers a wide variety of templates for different video types, such as social media posts, YouTube videos, presentations, and more. Choose a template that aligns with your goals and start customizing. Don't be afraid to experiment with different templates and features to find what works best for you. InVideo AI's intuitive interface makes it easy to play around and explore all the platform has to offer. Creating your first video. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Creating your first video with InVideo AI is a piece of cake. Once you've chosen a template, simply follow these 3 easy steps. 1. Add your content. Upload your own images, videos, and music, or choose from InVideo AI's vast library of stock media. You can also add text, transitions, and other effects to make your video truly unique. 2. Customize your template. Adjust the colors, fonts, and layout of your chosen template to match your brand or style. You can also add your logo and other branding elements to make your video look professional. 3. Generate your video. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, simply hit the Generate button, and InVideo AI will create your video in minutes. You can then download your video in various formats or share it directly to social media platforms. Making your videos. Pop tips and tricks from the pros. Want to take your videos to the next level? Here are a few tips and tricks to make your content stand out from the crowd. Keep it short and sweet. People have short attention spans, so make sure your videos are concise and engaging. Aim for a video length of 1 to 2 minutes or even shorter for social media platforms. Start with a bang. Grab your viewers' attention from the first few seconds with a captivating intro. You could use a surprising statistic, an intriguing question, or a visually stunning shot. Focus on storytelling. People connect with stories. Weave a narrative into your videos, whether it's your personal story, a customer testimonial, or a fictional tale related to your brand. Add music and sound effects. Music and sound effects can add emotion and depth to your videos. Choose tracks that complement your message and enhance the viewing experience. Use high-quality visuals. Whether you're using your own footage or stock media, Make sure your visuals are high quality and visually appealing. Blurry or pixelated footage can make your videos look unprofessional. The money-making part, how to monetize your videos. Now for the exciting part, making money from your awesome videos. Here are a few proven strategies to monetize your InVideo AI creations. Affiliate marketing, partner with brands and promote their products or services in your videos. You'll earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Sponsored content. Collaborate with brands to create sponsored videos that promote their products or services. This can be a lucrative way to earn income while providing valuable content to your audience. YouTube monetization. If you have a YouTube channel, you can monetize your videos by enabling ads. You'll earn revenue based on the number of views and clicks your ads receive. Online courses and workshops. Use your videos to create and sell online courses or workshops. Share your expertise and teach others valuable skills through engaging video content. Social media marketing. Promote your business or services through engaging video content on social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Sharing your masterpieces. Get your videos seen by the world. Once you've created your amazing videos, it's time to share them with the world. Here are a few ways to get your content seen. Social media. Share your videos on all your social media platforms, such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. Use relevant hashtags and engage with your followers to increase visibility. YouTube. Create a YouTube channel and upload your videos regularly. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords to improve your search ranking. Email marketing. Embed your videos in your email newsletters and share them with your subscribers. This is a great way to engage your audience and drive traffic to your website or social media pages. Website embedding. Add your videos to your website or blog to enhance your content and keep visitors engaged. Videos can help reduce bounce rates and increase the time people spend on your site. Paid advertising. Consider running paid advertising campaigns on platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram to reach a wider audience. Target your ads to specific demographics and interests for optimal results. Keep the cash flowing. Building a loyal audience. Monetizing your videos is just the first step. To create a sustainable income stream, it's essential to build a loyal audience that engages with your content and trusts your recommendations. Here's how. Asterisk, be consistent. Post new videos regularly to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Create a content calendar and stick to a consistent posting schedule. Engage with your followers. Respond to comments, answer questions, and run contests or giveaways to foster a sense of community. The more engaged your audience is, the more likely they are to support your work. Asterisk, collaborate with others. Team up with other creators in your niche to cross-promote your content and reach a wider audience. Collaborations are a win-win for everyone involved. Asterisk, ask for feedback. Don't be afraid to ask your audience what they want to see more of. Use polls, Quanda sessions, and comment sections to gather feedback and tailor your content accordingly. Stay true to yourself. Authenticity is key. Be yourself and let your personality shine through in your videos. People are more likely to connect with you if they feel like they know you. Ready to start your InVideo AI journey? Earning money online with InVideo AI is within your reach. It's a powerful tool that can help you create professional-looking videos, even if you're a complete beginner. Remember, the key is to take action. Don't wait for the perfect moment. There's no better time to start than now. Sign up for a free InVideo AI account today and start exploring the platform. Play around with different templates, experiment with the features, and let your creativity run wild. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve with a little effort and the power of InVideo AI. So, what are you waiting for? Your online earning journey starts today. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.